Need to disable Microsoft Defender Antivirus on Windows 11? Follow these simple steps to get it done quickly and safely. Open the search menu and type regedit, then click on Registry Editor. Select File HKey _local _machine, then click on Software. Click on File Policies. Click on Microsoft, then click on Windows Defender in the right pane left. Click on it, then select Dword name and type Disable Antivirus. Then select the value 0 in the right pane left. Click on it, then select Dword name and type Disable Real-Time Monitoring. Then select the value 0 in the right pane. Left click on it, then select Dword name and type Disable Special Running Modes. Right-click on Windows Defender and select Signature Updates. And in the right-click on and select New. Then select Dword, 32-bit. Value name it, Force Update from WU. Then select the value 0. Open the search menu and search for Edit Group Policy. Click on Administrative Templates, then click on Windows Components. Click on File Microsoft Defender Antivirus. Click on Turn off Microsoft Defender Antivirus, then select Disabled Press Win +I to open settings. Then in the left pane, select Privacy and Security. Click on Windows Security. Click on Open Windows Security. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Then click on Quick Scan. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.